Hey, hi, in this video, we're going to look at Bamboo Invest Trade and Earn app. It's an app, I believe it's based in Nigeria, but you can use it even if you're not from Nigeria. Okay, you can really use this app to invest in stocks, not only actually African stocks, but also international US stocks. Okay. So we're going to really do a review about it, see what I like about the app, what I don't like about the app, what do other people say about Bamboo, so that you can so that you can know what to expect. Okay. Now, what I can say is, first of all, if you are doing registration on this app, you have to use a good phone. Why? Because you can upload your ID. Okay. Within this app, when you're doing the registration, when you're doing the sign up process, okay, you start with your phone and all that stuff. That's what, but if you're actually verifying your documents, your identity, you'll be required to kind of take a photo of your document. So you can't upload already a photo of your ID, maybe in your phone. You have to actually take a photo of a fresh ID. You have to be holding your ID. You have to have the ID with you. So if you have a phone which really can't really take good photos, it means you'll be stuck. And if the camera is bad, if the you can't really take a good photo, you may really be stuck. I had a friend of mine who actually was stuck with that. Okay, so you really need a good camera phone to do the identity verification. And one of the things which I love about this app is you can buy US stocks. Okay. And the good thing about the US stocks is the app shows detailed information, the average cost of the US stock, the current value of that stock, total returns, and all that stuff. Okay. So if you're kind of a person who is into buying even US stocks and turning African stocks, Bamboo may be an app that you have to consider. Now, the OTP is sent to your number. This is a warning to some people who may not really have a good network with a phone network. The OTP is always sent to your phone number. It's not sent to your email. So you have to have a number. You have to have a phone to use Bamboo because you have to receive an OTP during using this app. Now, me personally, I find the app is really fantastic and easy to use for investment. The only issue I find is the Nigerian stocks section don't show the company's performance for more than 1 year backwards. So sometimes you want to see the performance of the stock, maybe like last 5 years, so that you can really see how it has been working. It's actually not the case in this app. It won't really show you the company's performance for more than 1 year. Okay, yet actually with the US stocks section is much more detailed than the Nigerian stock section. Okay, so it's important to note that. And also, you can start with as low as $1. It's kind of cool. You don't have to wait to have like $1,000 or $500 to start. You can start with even $1 and invest in Bamboo. Withdrawals, let me talk about the withdrawals because most people are worried about withdrawing from Bamboo. Now, Bamboo doesn't have issues when you're withdrawing your profits, but you may have to wait 3 days to get your withdrawals. Whereas deposits are actually done within actually seconds, I can say. It may not really take you 1 minute to do, for your money to be deducted when you are investing in this app. But the withdrawals usually take 3 days, though some people really report waiting more than 3 days. But officially, it's supposed to take 3 days when you want to do withdrawal from this app. What I can say is, by the way, and also on the withdrawals, even if you have verified your identity and all of that, you have done your KYC. Note that in the app, if you have restrictions, you may have issues withdrawing the money. That's the reason why most people in the comments, some of them actually are complaining, like, hey, I did all the verification, but in case you have a restriction or they're asking you to complete something, they always usually send you an email. You don't have to ignore that email. You have to act on that email. Maybe there's something which is not clear, they want you to clarify. make sure you complete it. So don't ignore emails from Bamboo. Okay, that's what I can say. But make sure you do verification of your documents before you use this app, because sometimes in case your verification documents are to be rejected, it means you can't withdraw. And the first thing is actually do verify your documents, upload your documents, let them be verified, then you start using the app. Let me know what you say about the Bamboo app, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're interested in videos like this, subscribe, like my video, and bye-bye.